Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung The Frame to a mobile hotspot. First of all, set up the mobile hotspot on your smartphone. Normally, you'd have to go to Settings, then open Network and Internet or any other network-related settings. Then go to Hotspot menu, and here switch the toggle to the right next to Wi-Fi hotspot. And by tapping on it, you can also adjust the hotspot name, security, the password, automatic turn off. And I also recommend going to speed and compatibility and selecting 2.4 and 5 gigahertz or just better compatibility settings. Okay, and once your mobile hotspot is enabled, on your TV, press the home button to go to the home page, then the left button to open the sidebar, and on the sidebar navigate to settings, then press the right button on your remote control to go to the settings and search for Wi-Fi. Now once you reach Wi-Fi, press the bottom down button on your remote control and then select network status and select Wi-Fi list, then network settings. Then your TV is gonna be searching for Wi-Fi networks, and here you'll find your mobile hotspot. In my case, it's this Pixel 6141 hotspot, and now we're gonna have to enter the password to your hotspot. It's located in your device's settings, in your smartphone's hotspot settings. Enter your password by navigating through the keyboard that you see right here, using your side buttons on your remote control and selecting the character with the central button. Okay, let me enter the password. I think it's gonna take some time. And once you enter the password, select go and wait until your TV is connected to the mobile hotspot. And so that's basically it. Right now you are connected to your portable hotspot on your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.